Hey everyone, in this quick bonus video I will show you again how to use cURL because I didn't really forget, I just forgot something in our cURL command. So it should have been cURL HTTP obviously localhost 8000 slash items. So this is generally what we had, and that was redirected. Okay, why? Because the URL that we needed to hit was items with a trailing slash, and that will show you everything as shown in our command line. So if any front end actually sends a request to our back end application, to our server application, that is what gets returned. Okay, there are other applications like Postman. You can look it up. That is generally used to create or to test out these kinds of servers. I won't start it up right now because it starts slow, but it is commonly used. Okay, but then you can always use your browser to test your DRF APIs. Okay, so with that, our sessions on Django is done. We will talk about a different, well, not really done because we still have to talk about deployment later on, but that will be a quick video. You don't need to do a lot to be able to set it up. Okay, but for the meantime, we will be stopping talking about Django and talk about other things about software development. Okay.